Hello students of standard 10. Now we will solve example number 11 and 12 from practice set 7.1. Example number 11 is find the surface area and volume of beach ball shown in the figure pi equal to 3.14. Now say this beach ball is given here. This height is given 42 centimeter, means this is the diameter of the ball. So solution, diameter of the sphere is 42 centimeter. Therefore radius of the sphere is half of the diameter. That's why equal to 42 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 21s are 42. Therefore radius is 21 centimeter. Now we will find surface area of the beach ball. Formula is 4 pi r square. So equal to 4 pi r square. By substituting values, equal to 4 into value of pi is 3.14 into radius is 21, so 21 square, equal to 4 into 3.14 into square of 21 is 441. If we take this multiplication, we will get answer 5538.96 centimeter square. This is surface area of beach ball. Now volume of beach ball, formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, equal to, substituting values, 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 21 cube, equal to 4 upon 3 into 3.14, 21 cube is 3 times multiplication of 21, so 21 into 21 into 21. We can simplify it like this, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Then equal to next step, 4 into 3.14 into 7 into square of 21, or 21 into 21 is 441. Then 4 into 7 is 28 into 3.14 into 441. Multiply all these three numbers, then we will get answer 38,772.72 centimeter cube. So in this way we can find surface area and volume. Now example number 12. As shown in the figure, a cylindrical glass contains water. A metal sphere diameter 2 cm immersed in it. Find the volume of the water. You can see here one cylinder is given and in that water is there. One sphere is immersed in the water. That's why sure height of the water is raised. But we have to find volume of the water. Now here height of this water level is given 30 centimeter and diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Solution, height of the water level in the cylinder is 30 centimeter, diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Therefore radius of the cylinder is half of diameter, so 14 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, so equal to 7 centimeter. Then diameter of the sphere is given 2 centimeter. Then radius of sphere is half of 2, 2 upon 2 is 1 centimeter. Now we have to find volume of water. Volume of water is equal to total volume of water in cylinder minus volume of sphere. Because of this sphere, the volume of water is increased or level is raised. That's why from that total volume of water in the cylinder we have to subtract volume of sphere. So equal to, write formula of volume of cylinder, pi r square h minus formula of volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then we will keep pi as it is, equal to pi into radius of cylinder is 7, so 7 square into 30 minus 4 upon 3 into pi as it is into radius of sphere is 1, so 1 cube. Then equal to pi into 7 square is 49 into 30 minus 4 upon 3 into pi, 1 cube is 1. 49 into 30 is 1470 into pi minus pi into 1 is pi, so equal to 4 upon 3 into pi. Then take pi common from these two terms here. Inside the bracket 1470 minus 4 upon 3. equal to, we have to subtract these two numbers. So multiplying 1470 by 3, we will get 4410 minus 4 upon 3 by taking LCM. Then 4410 minus 4 is 4406 upon 3 into pi. If you divide this number 4406 by 3, answer is coming 1468.666 dot dot dot. 6 is coming recurring. We have to find answer up to 2 digits after the decimal point. That's why here third digit is 6, it is greater than 5. So remove these digits but add 1 in the previous digit. So the answer is coming 1468.67 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the water. Solve these examples in your maths 2 notebook.